Maybe if we let the fire live it will kill us before the test tomorrow. Yes. That would be good. Then we could finally be birds. I'm a bird. Say I'm a bird. You're a bird. Now say I'm a volcano, Josie. We both know that wasn't a volcano that you drew.
Whoa. Who are you and how did you get here?
I am Josie Waterstaff. I'm a Taurus. And I stalk you on everything? Once I found out where you live and I hid in your shower. I'm very romantic. Love me.
Well, maybe you should love yourself.
Is this really where you live?
Ru. Ha. La. Kaffa. Sofa. Oh.
You're so sweet, Frosty.
2. Shu. Moon. Keep. Q.
I think I'm in love.